All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol NIO Neo Inc. And before we get started, I do want to state some things. If you learn something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button to let me know you watched this video. And if you found it helpful and informative, and share this with your friends and community. Any of your group chats, any of your other investor friends, any community that you're in regards to knowing more about stocks, or other groups that are investing with you, and so forth, you're more than welcome to go ahead and share this with them because not only do you receive this insight, but they do as well. And they can also watch these cues alongside you so you guys can maximize profits and minimize losses. That's the whole point of this channel. Also, for all of us to learn and grow together, as well as follow these cues that the charts indicate so that we as investors or you as an investor can go ahead and make your own rational decisions the next trading day. So let's go ahead and see this chart. Some things have changed. Obviously, the bulls broke through resistance, but right at the point of breaking through within a few hours, it just tumbled down. The bears reappeared, or people wanted to go ahead and sell their profits, and it leveled out. So let's go ahead and see how this one is going to play out. Right. So our resistance level is not that far away from the closing price, right? And our support level almost touched the 50-day moving average throughout the day, and it turns out to be below the 50-day moving average now. So that's something to really keep in mind. The support level that the bears are going to try to break through to turn this into a bearish chart, number one, and number two, to gain control and try to bring it lower, right? That's the bears' main concern and their main goal. And the first thing they'll have to do is break through the 50-day moving average. The 50-day moving average is 1449. Now, I wouldn't suggest that as the support level because that's not the true support level. That is actually the indicator to know who's in control. The bulls obviously are in control on this chart, but if it falls below it, the bears are starting to gain the upper hand. Just because it breaks through there, not necessarily have the bears won. Now, the support level is important because if the support level does get broken, now you can start to analyze and say, oh, the bears are starting to gain the upper hand. Now, that's when I would really keep a close eye on this stock because 1420 is the support level. Now, if the bears break through it and they continue to break through other support levels below that, then that'd be a concern, right? For those of you that are bulls. And for the bears, you're on your way to victory. But I'd keep a close eye on it because sometimes support levels can be broken and the bulls can rack up on stocks and bring this one back up. So that's why it's something to keep a very close eye on if the support level is broken through to see how the stock behaves throughout the day. The closing price was 1509. Now, the bulls, right? They want to continue this run. So for this bullish run to continue, they need to break through 1524. Now, if 1524 is broken and used as support, the bulls can start to see themselves on their way to breaking through new resistance levels. Now, if you guys want to point a reference after 1524, the next resistance level would be 1577. Now, which one is the most important, right? Out of all of these resistance levels that we see, which one is the most important right now in the short term or within the last week or couple of weeks, this is the most important because this resistance level, right, 1594, is the highest peak this stock has reached in the previous days and in the recent days. That needs to be broken by the bulls significantly and used as support to break through new resistance levels and further on to new resistance levels. But in the short term, just pay close attention to 1524. And then if you guys want another point of reference, 1577 is the next resistance level that can be broken to bring it closer to its last time high and the high that it reached within the last couple of weeks. So this is going to be a very interesting one to see how it plays out, and we'll see how it goes. We'll have to pay a close eye on it, to the resistance levels, to the support levels, and the 50-day moving average. As always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button for me and share this with your friends and community. Thank you for watching.